Introducing Tozo NC7, designed for comfort, style, and unparalleled sound quality. And with active noise cancellation, Tozos are go-tos for music enthus and for those who want to escape the world and immerse into the music. Hey guys, welcome back to Enoylity Technology, your best place for the latest tech reviews and concept render. And before moving ahead, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon for constant updates. Tozo NC7 comes in this sleek white box. Let's slide unbox this. You get welcomed by Designed by Tozo branding, which holds the user manual. Below this lid, we get our earbuds sitting next to the charging case, along with some extra ear tips to fit exactly in your ears. Also, below the ear tips, you get a box with standard USB A to C cable. Talking about the design, Tozo NC7 comes in all black two-tone finish with glossy texture inside and matte on the outside. The buds sit deep into your ears and feel comfortable. And with 6 extra pairs of ear tips, you'll get a proper fit to your ears. Plus, with IPX6 rating, you can also take a shower with these. Or maybe rinse it after a sweating session of exercise. The charging case is small and pocketable too, with matte finish. The hinge is pretty fine, and overall, the build of the case doesn't feel cheap. Talking about battery life, the buds can last up to 10.5 hours with ANC off. And pairing it with the case, it will provide up to 32 hours of non-stop music experience. Also, you can charge the case with Type-C port on the back with included Type-C cable, or even wirelessly. As the case supports Qi wireless charging, so you can charge this on the go. The buds comes with Bluetooth 5.3, which helps you connect seamlessly with whatever device you want. Also, the latency is good enough for gaming. And also there's no such lag between movie play and the audio. With built-in dual noise-canceling microphone, the mic quality on both of the headphones are good enough to take calls even in a busy environment. Overall, I'd rate mic quality 9 out of 10 for this price. The buds can also be operated through the touch controls on the buds. You can play, pause, change the volume, and also change the song with simple touch gestures mentioned in the user manual. Also, you can change the ambience from ANC to transparency mode using touch controls. And you also get optical sensors technology, which gives you autoplay and pause when you remove the buds from your ears, which is such a small thing, but really useful. The sound quality is on point for the price. You get pretty bass with clean and crisp highs and mids. Even on the full volume, you don't get any distortion. With ANC enabled, you can enjoy the music without any outdoor noises. And when needed, you can turn on transparency mode to connect with the world without disconnecting with the music. Overall, Tozo NC7 are one of the best earbuds for $60. With ANC, wireless charging, and good sound quality, Tozo NC7 are easy to recommend. So that's it for this video. Put your questions, suggestions, and reviews down in the comment box. This is Enoylity Technology. See you guys on the next video. Till then, peace out.